Xiaomi Mini Drone Quadcopter, compact innovation in flight. The Xiaomi Mini Drone 4K HD Quadcopter is a perfect blend of advanced technology and compact design, making it ideal for kids and beginners. Whether you're a budding drone enthusiast or looking for a fun, easy-to-use flying gadget, this quadcopter has all the features to make your aerial adventures exciting and memorable. Key features: stunning camera performance. Equipped with a 4K HD camera and 1080p wide-angle lens, this drone captures crystal-clear photos and smooth videos from the sky. Perfect for creating cinematic aerial shots and sharing them on social media. Easy and stable flight. Height-keeping function ensures steady altitude, making it easier for beginners to operate and shoot. Compass Headless Mode allows hassle-free directional control without worrying about the orientation of the drone. Compact yet powerful design. Measuring just 8.6 by 8.6 by 3.2 centimeters when unfolded, the drone is compact and portable, perfect for on-the-go fun. Crafted from durable ABS materials to withstand impacts and ensure longevity. Fun and functional flying modes. Perform thrilling 360-degree flips and fancy rolls with ease. One key return helps you recall the drone quickly and safely. Adjust flying speed with fast and slow gear options to suit your environment and expertise. Longer flying experience. Powered by a 3.7V 650 mAh Lipo battery, the drone offers a flight time of up to 10 minutes. The battery is rechargeable via USB with built-in protection for safe and efficient charging. Enhanced control. The remote control operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency, providing a distance of up to 100 meters. Features intuitive controls for ascending, descending, directional flying, and much more. Specifications: Model JC811. Material ABS plus electronic components. Charging time 30 to 50 minutes. Remote control battery requires 3 AAA batteries, not included. Flight distance 30 to 100 meters. In the box: quadcopter drone, remote controller, USB charging cable, spare fan blades, 150 mAh battery with protection. Instruction manual. Why choose the Xiaomi Mini Drone Quadcopter? This drone is an excellent entry-level option that combines ease of use, portability, and advanced features. It is ideal for kids, families, and anyone who wants to explore the fun of flying drones without compromising on functionality or durability. Take off into a world of adventure with the Xiaomi Mini Drone Quadcopter today.